So this video is the FUE hair transplant restoration surgery result, and we did around almost 2,000 grafts just to rebuild the hairline for him. And Raphael was kind enough for allow me to show the audience how the result looks fantastic. It's been 1 year and 3 months to be exact, and with a full set of hair and very dense. And this is one of my top 10 result. Just I want to let the audience know that's how great it is. In terms of the density, it just for FUE, this is one of the best density you can get. It's around over 95% or 98% growth rate actually. But with my work, it's not just about density, it's about artistry, the hairline. Because you want to look so natural that no one knows you have had surgery. So I'm going to show the audience what Raphael usually looked like. And that was him there. And so he came to me after thorough research, and what he wanted to make sure the most is how natural the hairline is. He saw a lot of my review and he saw a lot of my video, but we lower the hairline, and now he is the living proof. And you see the forehead smaller, but it really brought back his handsome look, because with a lower hairline it framed the face better. When it framed the face better, it enhanced his eyes, his nose, and all the features that God created. So it brought back his youth and his handsome look. And that's when you lose your hair, that's when you start looking older. But what separates my work is not just about density, it's the artistry. You see how natural it looks. That walking down the street, no one knows he have had surgery. And so that's that. You see how we lower an inch and a half on this side. And look at that. It looks fantastic. Same thing on the right hand side. You see at least an inch in here. And we're slightly curved. And we're broadening the temple as well. And we want to make it flow. Because if we lower the hairline, we will bring the temple. It gives him a little bit wide look. And you see, and look at that. The temple looks perfect. And the hairline, it flow and look dense. But you see the density is there, number one. Number two, you see how natural the hairline is? And because you don't want people to know that you have had surgery. And that's what it is. And building the temple is very difficult. And I want a surgeon who specializes in that. And you see, we're behind the temple. We want to be proportional vertically and horizontally as well. And it's slightly curved. Now look at that. It's excellent density. And you see the top view, and broaden both temple as well. Look at that. Seeing is believing. And now, this is Raphael right here. And you can see it's excellent density. And I'm going to zoom in for the audience to see. Very good density, very natural. Excellent result. Okay. And so he's going to turn his head to the right. Okay, there you go. And you see, this is always your hair. You can comb it down, you can comb it up, you can comb it any way you want. But this is all the little hair. And you see how natural the hairline and broadening this temple as well. And go ahead, turn to the other side for me. And you see, look at that. And this is always real hair. You can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything with it. And can you turn around the back so the audience can see if there are any scars visible, okay? And there's a scar, but you can't really see it. He wears his hair really short. We did the FUE, we scattered all throughout the back like that, and you know, and the scar is there, but hard to see. And this is his natural full line. This is not from surgery. We did the FUE, not the strip method. So we randomly pluck one at a time here, and you can see. You can wear your hair this short or even shorter. There's nothing much to see. You can turn around, okay? And that's where he is. This is 100% by the FUE method. And thank you, Raphael, for allowing me to show the audience what it looks like. Okay.